remove connections to spam you, reply to email. So email is a version in LinkedIn for email. So you get emails within LinkedIn, and then you have send LinkedIn requests to larger influencers, engage with larger influencers, liking, commenting, sharing, thank first connections who liked or commented on your post, skills endorsement for first connections. Usually, skills endorsements gets your connections noticed first, and then they could also do the favor to you and engage in LinkedIn groups. So within your groups, you're gonna do the liking, commenting, and posting. Check who has viewed your profile for the second and third connections. Um, so check who has viewed your profile and for your first and second or third connections and send them a message or request. Manage the lead magnet process through Messenger where a post calls for a call to action, posting articles, adding people from your LinkedIn to your customer relations management CRM system, archiving your LinkedIn messages, adding people from your leads list to your LinkedIn profile, and then send connection requests to your second and third degree connections who like your post. So for YouTube, so YouTube is a social media platform as well. Who doesn't know YouTube? Okay, so a virtual assistant can handle all of these YouTube tasks as well. Organize folders, subfolders for video. Okay, so um, project manage your videos, perform SEO keyword research for your video titles, write scripts for your YouTube script or template. So for your intro, how to ask for subscription, your intermission, call to action, and your outro. Um, Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm just gonna remind you. Okay, going back. So add keyword information, say short descriptions, tags, and file names for videos. I'm gonna put into the description box on this video a PDF that you can download, so you can. It's gonna be easier for you if you know how to do this. I'm just gonna click this. And also, your information material for the aspiring bees on what you're gonna learn um, and what tasks you need to learn. So you, in order for you to become a very successful YouTube virtual assistant or a virtual assistant that knows how to do this kind of things. Okay, so it's either you're gonna be an executive, advanced, or specialized BA. Okay, so add keywords, information, add YouTube cards, source background music, source footage, order video transitions from how.com, add transcriptions to your YouTube videos as captions, Okay, so yeah, add video transcriptions for YouTube videos as captions, editing, adding text captions and having images for videos, basic video editing, design video intro and outro, design video thumbnail, design your video end screen. Also, if you know how to do adding video animations, create a blog article from your video transcriptions, create your social media video snippets to promote your video, create social media stories to promote the video, create copy for newsletters, upload and schedule your YouTube videos, add a link to your um, Pingler and Pingomatic. It helps with your video. Share your videos to your social media channels. Share your video to your Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups. Upload to interest board, and then if you have comments in your videos, making sure that they are getting responded to. So if you are into podcasts, these are tasks that you can relate to a virtual assistant, or a virtual assistant can learn how to get these tasks, know how to do all these tasks. So organize folders and subfolders for podcast videos, audio or transcription files, liaise with podcast guests for calendar reminders, guest bios, and tag thank yous. Gather all materials for episodes, either links, images, biographies. Project manage the podcast editing with your team. So, meaning your team editors, graphic designers, blog writers, social media team. Edit podcast audio file, edit podcast video file to promote your YouTube, generate and edit podcast subtitles, design your podcast, SEO on your podcast, write podcast descriptions, upload edited podcast to Anchor, and then making sure that your podcasts are being shared to all of your social media channels. So these are digital marketing tasks for your advanced or specialized VA can do for you. For the newbies, the new virtual assistant and wanting job skill, you could learn all these tasks. You could learn to and get to studying all these different kinds of tasks. It will help you advance or create a specialized portfolio so that it will help you with an idea on what to upskill later on, or get more training. So set up, schedule email newsletters, A and B test email campaigns, create various email templates, manage marketing schedules, create banners, graphic icons, and other branded elements, content distribution, online directory submissions, write sales copy for content creators, prepare digital marketing reports. So this is a very intensive um, a skill, being able to create marketing reports and read analytics. That way you can easily um, understand what the analytics for the business accounts, installing tracking codes on websites, set up and manage retargeting campaigns, set up and manage Google Ads, set up and Google alerts on new key companies or product, peoples and products. Research the latest digital marketing trends and tools. Create and set up big funnel pages. Create content for marketing material, ebooks, tutorials, free giveaways, downloads. Okay. So a virtual assistant can also do website tasks. Um, these are also a list of tasks that you can learn if you want to upskill for the new virtual assistant or the old ones who wants to advance or wants a refresher. So ensure that website functionality and software up to date. Monitor, report, and assess your website performance. Ensure the domain registration and hosting accounts are current and updated. Making sure that your website security is up to date as well. Update your sitemap. Troubleshoot your website when you see bugs or problems. Update and fix broken links, making sure you develop and update your content. So, blogs, new pages, manage and update your e-commerce product listings, process your online orders, handle exchanges or refunds, update manage website navigations, install and monitor Google Analytics and Pixels, and set up manage Google Analytics and goals and your funnels. So if you run, so these are virtual customer service tasks that can either your virtual assistant do for you. Specialized virtual assistant usually doesn't have, although they have the skill, but they usually doesn't use them. Mostly the executive virtual assistant or the admin assistant for advanced usually is the one who's going to handle this. In customer support, like live chat, instant messenger, customer inquiries, either website or email, process online orders, handle exchange refunds, billing, technical support, online community management, posting forum blogs, pre-sales questions, processing unsubscribe requests, write blog articles and site copy based on keyword research, responding to comments and reviews on websites and social media, creating customer service and feedback forms, account troubleshooting. For example, your password is not working or your password needs verification more. And then manage your CRM. Okay. So for graphic design, these are the tasks usually handled by a graphic designer. Handled by a graphic designer. If you notice, majority of the checks is in the specialized aspect versus on this one task here. So from design brand, design brand assets like logo, business cards, letterheads, design the prints, design the web banners, blog images, design assets of social media like posts, animated GIFs, soundbites, design your YouTube thumbnails and screens, create your resources like ebooks, infographics, design presentations and slides, much like this, um, editing your image and using a Photoshop, design animations and GIFs, set up your brand colors and guides. So for your, if what is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. Usually this is the part where you get organic and paid ads. So it's either from Facebook ads or from Google ads or Google, um, yeah, Google algorithms. So SEO keyword research, usually if you notice, the advanced and specialized ones understand this task. So you might get to hire specific virtual assistant that knows what these are. These are very technical aspect tasks that mostly specialized virtual assistants who has put in hours of training and experience in handling this kind of tasks have done in a year or more, like keyword research, updating meta descriptions, online directory submissions, um, appropriate, appropriately naming interests on your websites, selecting anchor tags for backlinks, distributing articles and article submissions to sites, list company in which online business directories, ping sites after new content has been published, create articles, copy based on the research, keyword research, and then fix broken links on the website. Oh, so that's it. That's how, um, that's the three types of virtual assistants and specializing the different ranges of tasks and the different kinds of tasks that they can handle and they um, different kinds of tasks they are able to um, do for their clients or um, and they can provide more. So if you feel like you're um, ready to take on so much of those different kinds of tasks, I suggest you head on and subscribe to my channel for more information and how you can be a virtual assistant. And if you are a client that wants to delegate your tasks, um, I would love to invite you to a free discovery call with me to talk more on how I can help you with your business. So thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for now. Bye.